If you're thinking about buying Deel, there are 7 things you need to know before making a decision. This software has gained a lot of attention lately, but is it the right fit for your business? Stick around because we're going to compare it to other software solutions and dive deep into what makes Deel stand out or fall short. First off, Deel is a platform designed to help businesses manage global teams, simplifying the process of hiring, paying, and complying with local regulations. But here's the thing, it's not just about remote work. Deel offers the flexibility of hiring in nearly every country, which sets it apart from competitors like Remote.com and Rippling, who primarily focus on more limited geographic coverage. Next thing to consider is Deel's compliance features. One of the biggest pain points for global hiring is ensuring that you're compliant with local laws in each country. Deel takes this off your plate by automating many compliance tasks. While other platforms may provide some compliance help, Deel goes further by offering local contracts, tax guidance, and country-specific benefits, something competitors don't always do as seamlessly. The third thing that really stands out is Deel's pricing. Now, while Deel's fees are competitive, especially for freelancers and contractors, it's worth understanding exactly how their pricing model works. For companies scaling fast, the per employee cost can add up quickly. If you compare this to platforms like Rippling, Deel's pricing can be more attractive, but it's important to weigh this against the features you actually need. You can choose different tiers based on the services you require, but it's always a good idea to calculate your total costs before jumping in. The fourth thing you should know is Deel's integrations. Deel integrates with a variety of tools such as QuickBooks and Slack, making it easy to manage payroll and other tasks without needing to switch between platforms. But here's the catch. While Deel offers solid integrations, it still doesn't match the breadth of platforms like Rippling, which has a more robust ecosystem for handling everything from HR to IT. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution, Deel might fall a little short in this area. Next, let's talk about Deel's user experience. The interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, especially for teams without a dedicated HR department. That said, it's not as customizable as some other solutions out there. For example, if you need more advanced reporting or specific workflows, platforms like Remote.com might be a better fit. Deel, however, keeps things simple, perfect for companies who want to focus on hiring, not managing software. The sixth thing you need to know is Deel's support system. When you're managing a global team, support is key. Deel offers solid customer support, including a dedicated account manager for larger businesses, and their response times are typically quick. That said, for very specific queries, Deel's knowledge base isn't as comprehensive as some of the competition, such as Rippling's detailed support articles and resources. The last thing worth mentioning is Deel's contract management. With Deel, you can create and sign contracts for contractors and employees in just a few clicks, which makes scaling much easier. But if you're used to platforms like Gusto or Bamboo HR, which offer more advanced contract features and customization, Deel might feel a bit limited in that regard. However, if your needs are more basic, Deel's streamlined approach will likely be enough. So if you're ready to give Deel a try, don't miss out on the exclusive benefits available through the link in the description below. You can test out Deel completely free with the best trial offer, and it's the perfect chance to explore how it can streamline your global team management without the hassle of hidden fees or long-term commitments.